alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, mister?
I am fine and you?
I'm also fine. Okay, so what is your name?
My name is Hassan.
Okay. I'm Muhammad Haris. Are you from Pakistan?
Yes, I am. I'm from Pakistan.
Yes. Okay, so tell me about your daily routine.
So I wake up early in the morning and I offer a prayer and go to school and come back to home and I will I will bed.
Hmm. Okay, that's good. Now I'm telling you about my routine. So I'm a student.
Yes.
So most of the time I spend in the university.
Yes.
Then after university I have a job. So this is all about my routine.
Yes.
Right.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, mister?
I am fine, Alhamdulillah. And what about you?
I'm also fine. Okay, so what's your name, mister?
I am Suleiman. I am from Mardan. I had complete second year government of college.
Okay, good. I'm Muhammad Haris and I'm also a student. Okay, so Mr. Salman, tell me about your daily routine.
Tell me what I am to my shop is working now,
Hmm.
and you are my play cricket.
Hmm.
I will to sleeping, and you are masjid
Okay, good.
and you.
Okay, now I'm telling you about my daily routine. So I'm also a student, and most of the time I spend in university.
Yes.
Then after university, I have a job. So this is all about my routine.
Okay.
Are you from Pakistan?
Yes, I am from Pakistan.
Okay, good. I'm also from Pakistan.
I am also. Okay.
Okay, have a good day.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name, Dan?
My name is Bilal Elisha.
Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce yourself.
My name is Bilal Elisha. My father name is Yarab Khan. I'm from Mardan in my designation. I had completed BCom in 2013 of Government College of Commerce Mardan.
What are your daily routine?
My daily routine is on prayer and some homeworks
Yes.
and sleeping now.
Okay. I am Suleiman from Mardan. I had complete second year of government of college.
Your father name.
My father name is Haji Anwar Khan.
Good. And your designation.
Resignation.